Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can expand the background of a photo using this autofill feature on the CapCut PC. So here you can just add a video or a photo with a middle close up or maybe close up pose like this, and after that you can just go to the AI stylize at the top right corner, then scroll down and enable this photo style. So click on show. Here you can just scroll down and choose this autofill. So click on this, wait until the style is fully applied, and you can see now the background is now expanding and my photo will become a far shot like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.